Hey guys, Machines of Metal here. Just wanted to show you this golf cart I've been working on for the last couple weeks. I made a short about it when we first picked it up. Actually, this is the fourth one. This is 4 of 4. I've been through 3 of them already. This is going to be the last one for the year. Done a little work to it, and it's time to clean it. Not bad, eh? Just got to do a little touch up in the corners. Sure turned out nice. Crazy how much difference that looked. All right, well, I'm going to wrap this video up, guys, and I'm going to start another one cleaning this thing up. Post this up in a week or two once the cart's all finished with the roof back on and nice and clean and shiny. We even got some hubcaps coming. It's going to look really good when we're done with it. All right, make sure you subscribe to catch some more videos about stuff like this. And again, thanks for watching.